Hi all. Okay, today we'll be discussing on the estimation or quantity workout of a two-room building using center line method. Okay, as I said in the previous video. Okay, so already we people have completed a single room building using long wall short wall method as well as a center line method, and two room building with long wall short wall method. Okay, earlier we have taken the same dimensions, okay, and we found some quantity and the amount. Okay, so whereas here we will work out the quantity of this superstructure, that is of height 3 meter, using center line method. Okay, you'll be using center line method here. Okay, so what I will do here, first thing, I must know what exactly I'm calculating. I must know the specifications. That is, here we are calculating BBM of superstructure, burnt brick masonry of superstructure. Okay, which includes the specification providing and constructing brick masonry with approved quality of modular bricks of standard size with necessary scaffolding, curing and curing for basement and superstructure in cement mortar 1:6. Okay, so this is the actual specification of this one. Okay, whereas here I'll not take much time, I'll start now. Okay, here the center line is drawn. Okay, the wall thickness, outer dimension of this building is 4 meter by 6 meter. Okay, horizontal it is 6 meter, and in vertical direction it is of 4 meter. Okay, whereas here whatever the red line, okay, which you can see here, this is center line of the building. Okay, and we got two junctions. Okay, because as I said in previous method, that is in single room building using central line method, in that case two room or two wall junctions are plus minus junctions. Okay, no need to add and no need to deduct anything, whereas here it is three wall junctions are there. Okay, so here what happens, whatever the blue hatched portion is there, okay, this is common to the walls. Okay, common to this wall also, sorry, common to this wall also, and common to this wall also. Okay, so here what happens, okay, whatever the hatched portion is, the blue hatched portion, that length to be deducted. Okay, so this one we call it as junctions. Okay, always you keep it in mind, if it is three wall junctions, okay, half the length of or half the width to be deducted. If there is a one junction, three wall junction, half the width to be deducted. If there are four wall junctions, okay, later in future we'll discuss on that also. If there are four wall junctions, in that case, okay, we'll be deducting one total width. Okay, that is 0.23 here. For example, if there are another two walls which is connected, okay, like at one junction, if we have two walls, okay, the total length minus 0.23. Okay, and here also total length minus 0.23, minus 0.23 minus 0.23. Okay, could have deducted, whereas here it is only three wall junctions are there, that is half. Okay, that is 1.5 times 0.23 is deducted from this junction, and 1.5 times 0.23 is deducted at this junction. Later whatever the quantity will get, will compare using long wall short wall method also. Okay, earlier in the previous video we people have discussed on the long wall short wall method, right? So first junction is there, one junction, that means half of the width of the wall. Okay, that is 0.23. Okay, whereas here we got two junctions, so half of 0.23 minus half of 0.23, two junctions will be considered here. Okay, whatever the hatched portion is there, blue hatched portion, that is treated as a junction. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, sorry. These are the two junctions. Okay, later here what happens, first I must calculate the total length of this red line. Later I'll go for the deduction. Okay, so as it is center line method and wall height I'm taking 3 meter, so one number obviously in center line method. Okay, when you calculate all the lines, okay, as one, okay, you calculate, you add all the lines, okay, and number will be treated as one itself. Okay, so length of wall here I'm taking is L is equal to how much, first one 3.77. Here center to center distance of this wall, whatever the red line is there, that is center line of the building. Okay, so it is 3.77 plus how many 3.77 walls are there, 1 2 sorry 1 2 and 3. Okay, 3 walls are there. So here I'll be writing 3.77 plus 3.77. 3 walls in okay, 3 walls are there of 3.77. And how many 5.77 walls are there? Okay, this is 5.77. Okay, total I am taking 5.77. Here also it will be 5.77. 2 walls. Okay, so I'll be writing 2 walls, 5.77. Okay, so here we have taken the length of all the walls, 1, 2, 3 and 5.77, 2 walls, right? We have taken everything. Okay, as I said, if there is a junction, I need to go for junction deductions. Okay, so how much it is? 1 junction and 2 junction, right? 2 junction. For 1 junction, okay, half of 0.23 to be deducted. Okay, first I'll close the bracket here. Okay, minus, now I'll go for the junction deduction. Keep it in mind, these are not opening deductions. Okay, here I am not taking any openings in the building. Okay, I have not taken, I have not considered any wall and sorry, any door, windows which are not considered here. Okay, solid walls I am calculating, right? Okay, sorry for disturbance. Okay. So here what happens? So whatever the junctions are there, okay, here you can see the junctions. That is one junction is of half the width. Okay, so there are 2 junctions. Okay, so here what I'll do, 0.5 into 0.23. Half means 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay, so half junction is there. Okay, one junction is of, okay, here it is, here we have one junction, right? So okay, if it has one junction, okay, so it is half of the width of wall. Okay, like that, how many junctions are there? 2 junctions. Okay, again I'll go for another deduction, that is 0.5 into 0.23. Okay, total deductions, right? Once if it is completed, okay, I'll get the net length. Okay, whatever the length I have taken, okay, here what happened, this length is of 3.77 meter. Okay, so here also it is considered, already it is this quantity is considered. Whatever the hatched portion is there, quantity is considered in this wall. Okay, again it is overlapping in this 3.77 wall. Okay, okay, in that case what we'll do, I need to go for the deductions. Okay, if it is 3 wall junction, only 0.5 into 0.23. If there are 4 wall junctions, if there is 4 wall junction, directly 0.23. Okay, there are 2 junctions are there, that's why I'm deducting twice. Okay, so total length, how much you got? 22.6. And breadth of the wall is how much? It is 0.23. And depth I'm taking 3 meter. So total quantity I'll multiply here. Okay, sorry for interruption. Okay, that is, okay, sorry, I'll okay, total quantity is, number is 1 into length into breadth into depth. Total how much you got? 15.61 cubic meter. Okay, so this is the total quantity of this wall. Okay, now I need to check, cross check with the another method also. Here we have the long wall short wall method. Same building is 2-room building is used to calculate quantity. Okay, so here what I will do, I'll go for long wall short wall method here. Okay, so here also how much you got? Here we have taken 2 methods in, again the long wall short wall method. Okay, you just go through the previous video. Okay, I have given a link in the link below to this video, right? Okay, you just go through and check. Okay, here also the same building is used and we got a quantity of 15.61 cubic meter, and we have taken rate and amount of 53,066. Okay, the same thing. Okay, I think we got same quantity here. Okay, then our calculation is correct. Okay, 15.61 into 3,400 is the rate and amount is 53,066. Same quantity, same amount I am getting. Okay, so here what I will do, okay, so the central line, the basic or simple 2-room building we have taken to calculate the quantity of 2-room building using central line method. Okay, all the way. Okay, as I already uploaded 3 videos on this quantity estimation. All are quite basic things. I have not taken any a huge building here. Okay, so in next videos, okay, I'll be taking next video better I'll take a single room. okay, sorry, single 1 BHK building for estimation, right, along with the foundation, how to calculate from the foundation. Okay, thank you. Good. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.